Hi boys and girls, today you are going to be playing a game called I Spy with the QR scanner on your iPad. So what you'll need to do is you will need to open the QR scanner app in your iPad after you finish listening to my directions. You are going to be learning a lot about text features during this activity. What I'd like you to do is walk around the room and find the cards that have the QR codes on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, before you scan that QR code, I want you to take a look at the picture on the card. I want you to try to learn a little bit about that text feature before you scan the QR code. Try to figure out what text feature is being shown. What do you already know about that text feature? And then I want you to take your QR scanner and scan the QR code. The QR code is going to give you some more information about that specific text feature. Okay, if you're not sure of the directions, you can go ahead and listen to this QR code one more time. Or you can ask an expert.